Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on Windows 10 where you are unable to connect to the network. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just open up the start menu, type in network reset. Best result should come back with network reset. Go ahead and just open that up. Please take note of your Wi-Fi password before we reset, because once you click reset and our computer restarts, you will need to enter back in your Wi-Fi PIN. So do that, and also make sure you close out of any open programs and applications too, because you're going to have to restart your computer within 5 minutes. So once you have confirmed both of those, go ahead and select reset now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select yes. And then you're about to be signed out, so just click on close. And now we want to go ahead and restart our computer here. And there you go, guys. Now if you want to connect to or allow other PCs on your network to be discoverable, you can select yes, especially if you're doing file, folder, or printer sharing, then you probably would select yes. I'm going to select no because I don't usually have a need for that. So that was a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.